Hi everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Today, my goal is to present you a tool that hopefully will make your life a little bit easier and will be able to perform certain tasks extremely fast and extremely well. And the task that we are looking to perform today is converting latitudes and longitudes to an address. The tool that we are looking at, this is the Reverse Geocoder, or the lat long to address, is a tool built in Excel, like a lot of our tools. Maybe I can go a little bit back and just go over what we do. And we've been building these tools. I've been building these tools for the last 16 years. And during this time, we've got hundreds and hundreds of happy customers that send us email almost every week. I get emails from a lot of you guys kind of telling us what our tools have done for a lot of you and how have helped you become a little bit more efficient and save time, and how easy that whole process was. On top of that, all of our tools are built in Excel, and as such there is nothing to install. So all you got to do is download the tool from the link in our description, and once you do that, then you'll be able to run this with just right away. So let me kind of show you how easy it is to use the lat long to address tool converter. First thing we do, we paste our latitude and longitude, or geocoders, in columns A and B into the tool. Once we do that, we click on the Run button, and the tool will automatically generate street, city, state, and zip. And please keep in mind, this works for addresses all over the world, not just US addresses. And you should be able to do that with just one click of a button. We've been doing this for the last 16 years. I've been developing this tool for the last 16 years. And during this time, we've got a lot of great Google reviews. Feel free to check out our Google reviews. I think right now we've got over 121, 122 Google reviews. And feel free to review those and see what a lot of our customers are saying. In addition, I've got one more thing. Something that we don't do, and you can see this from the Google reviews, then something that nobody else does to my knowledge, is that I've got my phone out there. If you've got any questions, anything that I can assist with, feel free to give me a call. I've got my phone number, I've got my email in the description of this video. Feel free to give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. And in addition, on top of that, one more thing is that if you've got any needs, maybe something that this tool cannot do, or if you need a tool to allow you to do certain things, feel free to just let me know. I'd be more than happy to customize that tool. I've built hundreds of tools during the last 16 years for a lot of small to medium-sized businesses, and looking forward to helping you as well. Thank you very much. Until next time.